Phineas is more than just Billie Eilish's brother. He's Ferb's brother too, but he also produces really pretty yet heartbreaking music to express yourself / substitute a therapist to. So today, you're finna grieve about your loss into a microphone and sidestep the high cost of therapy through the magic of
There's 104 days of summer vacation.
Step 1. Finna get the instruments.
The first thing you're finna need is a piano chord progression that reflects your state of denial. So just go ahead and play 3 to 4 chords and forget that everything's... You know what? Everything's fine. Nothing's wrong. I'm okay. I'm not grieving. You're grieving. The next thing you're gonna need is an acoustic drum kit that reflects your state of anger. So go ahead and start off with a kick. I hate you because you're angry, remember? Next, you're gonna need a set of claps and stack them on top of each other so that they sound nice. Just go ahead and... Did I say clap? I meant slap, because you're angry, remember? Now you're gonna need some sort of ambient sound to create a more intimate mood. This can be achieved by recording some cricket sounds from nature. Nature. Or maybe by recording some frogs in the wild. Wilderness. Or maybe the sound of a clock ticking because it's a metaphor to how short-lived relationships can be, you know? Haha. Lastly, you're gonna need a synth, or strings, or both, or neither. Nothing matters anymore. So grab your cello, or violin, or both, or neither. Nothing matters anymore. And then just start playing. Yeah, see, it's not sounding right. You're gonna need a better bow. So grab your bow and start playing your cello, or violin, or both, or neither. Heartbreaking.
Step 2. Finna structure it.
Okay, now that you have your sounds, arrange them into a structure through the magic of developing skill, taste, and awareness. Or, you can skip all that noise, Google pop song structure, then copy and paste the structure into your song. What a bargaining!
Step 3. Finna vocalize.
Great, so you have the foundation to express your emotions with your voice and rhymes and stuff. But before you can vocalize, you need to warm up your mouth. So go ahead and do some warm-up exercises. Betty Butter bought some butter, but she said this butter's bitter. Okay, that's warm enough. Now take out a memento of those that you loved and lost, and set yourself up for an emotional... Oh my god. The first time we committed arson. Perfect. Now you're in that emotional headspace that's necessary to truly speak from the soul. You're in the state of depression. So head over to your instrument and start riffing the chords and then the lyrics and start speaking your truth, man. Just start letting everyone know, and by everyone I mean your microphone, who is now your therapist.
I lost my fire. Now I'm cold with no desire. Without you, I'm falling deeper in the grip of your shadow. I can't bear to be without you. I can't help but think I'm lost now. I searched every nook and now I don't know where to look. I can't bear to be without you. I can't help but think I'm lost now. I searched every nook and now I don't know where to look.
feel better. Even though I lost something that I really valued, I accept it, and I made a song about it. And now I can move on with my... Wait. Oh look, it was with me the entire time. Ha. Ha ha. This video is sponsored by Skillshare. If you like learning new skills, why don't you make 2020 a year where you explore new talents and deepen existing passions and get lost in creativity? If you're anything like me, you like learning new things. Skillshare is an online learning community that offers memberships with meaning. With so much to explore, real projects to create, and the support of fellow creatives, Skillshare empowers you to accomplish real growth. With classes designed for real life, you can move your creative journey forward without putting life on hold. Personally, I really liked a class called Learn How to Master Songs Like a Pro All From Home by Young Guru. This one actually taught me what mastering is and why it's important to understand your physical space. Skillshare is also incredibly affordable, especially when compared to pricey in-person classes and workshops. An annual subscription is less than $10 a month. The first 500 of my subscribers to click the link in the description will get 2 months of premium membership so you can explore your creativity.